Okay, so this is some instructions for my fourth grade reading resource, ladies. And this is a website where I've set up some assignments. I'm going to send you through the link to it. And so here we go. When you do pull it up, it's going to prompt you about being a new user. They would just need to put a username, password. Most all the kids at school have a username and password that they use for different things for school. So they probably could just try to make one with that. But let me go ahead and put this in so we could take a look. And so what I've done is I have some articles here. They should be pretty close in reading level for the ladies to take care of being able to read it. They are nonfiction, so sometimes in nonfiction there are some vocabulary that can be a little difficult, or if they're anything like names of places or names of people, you may kind of have to help them out with that because sometimes those words don't excuse me, sometimes those words don't follow the regular rules that we use when we're reading. So what you would do is you just click on the article and you see the instructions here. It says read the article and take the quiz. So if you click on the article, and then here again, here's the article. Here you got a name here. Those might be a little difficult. You might have to help out with a little bit. We've got the word bacteria here, and organisms. But after the article is read, and if this does, I put it at this level 680. If that seems like it's a little too hard, sometimes you can adjust it. So you could even go down to 540 and it'll adjust it. Or you can even go down for this one to 380. That might help if it seems to be a little too difficult. Then if you click over here on this activities tab, there is a quiz. So I know it looks a little cut off on my screen, but here's a quiz. It's got 4 questions. We've talked a lot about going back into our reading when we're trying to look for answers to help with our comprehension. So that's basically it. I'll get back with you later in the week to kind of see how this assignment went. If it seemed like it was too hard, too easy, but hopefully it'll work out. I know you're going to be getting lots of things from teachers for your kids to be working on. Just, take it one day at a time. This is new for all of us. Do what you can do. I know we've got families where parents are working. Kids might be at home by themselves. So it's going to be a learning curve. This is just to try to, excuse me, trying to maintain what we've been working on over the year. But if you do need any help, easiest way is to catch me through that Remind app, and hopefully I'll be able to help.